Sanibonani, welcome back to any video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you so much for your love and support. Ungakhohlwa phela ukusubscribe. We will like ushare futhi ubuke nama-ads. Yona ndlela bafethu onga-support ngayo kule channel. Thank you very much for your support. Kubo bonke abasupportayo ungakhohlwa ukucindezela usubscribe kumahala bafethu. Even ukulike i-video. You know ukuthi usubscribe kayi-1 kwi-channel. Once you press usubscribe, you have subscribed, that's it. Kodwa kuma ubuka ama-video enye video bafethu, you have to like that video, okay? Press like each and every video. Ase-brief like, uyashare konke lokho bafethu nokubuka ama-ads kuyasiza kakhulu bafethu nisikhuliseni. Thank you very much. Sigijimela lapha ka 10k subscribers mark, so siyazama konke kusemandleni. So ungasiza mangaba ka subscribe wenze kanjalo so that we can just hit that mark, okay? Now asikhulumeni ngodaba luka Mark G bafethu. uMark G when it comes to abantu besifazane. Angazi ngithanda kakhulu le podcast bafethu when it comes to I'm a chiller ngithanda kakhulu i-podcast and chill. Bengishilo on that particular video kule channel ngathi noma ngisemsebenzini mangabe nje kune episode, I just press the episode bese duze kwe phone, then I'll be listening. You know what I mean? I love Mark G, I love Soul, I love Ghost Lady. Nama guest sometimes the guest is very interesting. For me nje I'm a chiller bafethu, I won't lie. Even though I don't do the commenting thing kakhulu, but yeah. So udaba lukamajike lokuhleli njalo bafethu umlomo ngiyazi uyalahla umlomo yaba akusho ukuthi umuntu umzondeke bafethu. Abantu abaningi let us unsubscribe, let us okay, hi guys man, umuntu menza iphutha, you don't have to unsubscribe, right? Just comment nawe mhlawumbe ushuvo lakho uxwayise lapha nalapha ukuthi please stop talking like this, into ekanjalo yabo. But kwele ku unsubscriber for me, I'm like, you know, I'm nangena umuntu unsubscribe umuntu bafethu noma ngabe kuthi sixabene kanjani ngamane nje mhlambe angazi ngingasawubuka maybe umsebenzi wakho mangabe ngicasulile mhlambe isikhuthene something like that. But as for unsubscribing, I don't really, no, I'm not that person. Angaze nje kube nento ethi ngoba umuntu angimthandi let me unsubscribe. So I can see kuningi bafethu uMark G kube kune particular episode ade bekhuluma khona nje ngama celebrities nangabantu nje aba in the public eye. Bene guest lapha enguBhuti Mashabela, is a comedian, we know him, right? So kwasebe khuluma ke ngodaba lokaMinnie Dlamini olokudata uDr Brian, bekhuluma nge-relationship liyana nje ukuthi ayisebenzanga nje ibe i-relationship isikhathi esincane, you know, angazi ithetha how many months, 3 months or 2 or something like that. I think uDr Brian Monayisa noMinnie Dlamini baye babona ukuthi ay mhlambe they made a mistake. Siyazi ukuthi bese bepostana kakhulu, honestly trending, right? Jiki sisathi uMinnie Dlamini seyitholile enye indoda, because remember Minnie Dlamini was married to Quinton Jones before. Asithi nje vele ubesaziwa kakhulu ngoItumele Nkhune, the soccer player, and then he went again to date Quinton Jones and what divorced no Quinton Jones, what trenda futhi nakhona kakhulu. And then from there ayikho enye relationship kaMinnie Dlamini engiyazi bafethu, unless bona bayazi ukuthi mhlawumbe usiye wangena lapha waphuma lapha, because they are talking about how she doesn't keep men. How a girl cannot keep a man, yona into abakhulume ngayo lapha. So for me, I know Itumele Nkhune, I know Quinton Jones, I know uDr Monayisa, because angazi kukhona abanye kwakuthi uMinnie Dlamini dating this person kwathi kwakhulunywa abo Edwin Sodi kwakhulunywa, but some stories are actually just lies, you know what I mean? So ke i-relationship yakhe no Dr Monayisa, it didn't last. Abantu were even calling it a 2-minute nuclear relationship, you know what I mean? Waposta Dr Monayisa ukuthi no, they decided to go their separate ways, but they don't, there's no bad blood between bona bobabili, baye babona ukuthi okay no ngcono bayeke, because remember uthema iqala ukudata uDr Brian Monayisa kwaba no baby mama wengane owayengathi ufuna ukublame uMinnie Dlamini for dating uDr Monayisa. Abantu bathi ayibo, but ubaby mama bengasekho no doctor, so they were separate already. So why ugirl efuna ukublame uMinnie Dlamini kwangathi kuba naleyo nto iya trend nayo ever since then bepostana kumnandi. Jiki they are no longer together. So yona nto manje yenza ukuthi laphana ke on the podcast in chill uMark G no Soul ke no Bhuti Mashabela, they had to bring up the topic ya kaMinnie Dlamini ukuthi why can't she keep a man. They even spoke about how she is a baddie, you know, they call them baddies. they call them it girls. Was washu so much. I know she's an it girl, but you know, washumbono wake, and then that's when Meg G mentioned ukuthi maybe he Kuchu smells. That's what Meg G said. Bafethu ukuthi abantu abaningi, they were like, no, Meg G, you can't like, Meg G is a married man. Bafethu, imagine this married man ethi omunye usisike intombi yomunye umuntu he Kuchu smells. Nakhona kazange asho ukuthi it does. He said maybe. You know what I mean? Uthe maybe, but just for him to suggest that khona nje uyicabanga leyo nto ukuthi abantu mabe separate is because iphutha likuwena umuntu wesifazane. What if iphutha liku Dr. Munaisa? Because we do not know, McG. The way Dr. Munaisa akwi-support kaMinnie Dlamini ngakhona, you will swear ukuthi I think nguyena onephutha ekuhlukaneni kwabo, because he was out there actually standing for Minnie Dlamini, was wa poster about Solphenduka no Lokungana. I'll throw his post on my screen. You know, engavumelani nabo for what they said about Minnie. He even posted, remember, ekhuluma ngokuthi no, bona they are okay, they just went their separate ways. Obviously abazange baxabane, ikhona into yathi ayi ungcono siyeke. You know what I mean? So for these guys to actually think ukuthi maybe iphutha loku Minnie Dlamini, because Minnie Dlamini ke wa data lo, what about Dr. Munaisa? Because kunjena nje naye useke wa data lo uno baby mama kunjena nje. So manje why kumele uMinnie Dlamini kube nguyena osenkingeni when it comes to this whole separation yakhe no Dr. Munaisa? What if the brother is the one? Remember abantu abaningi bathe lo bhuti lo uyuze uMinnie Dlamini for fame. Mhlambe bevele efuna nje upromote into zakho uDr. bakho ufuna ama client whatsoever. So why are we now thinking ukuthi maybe Minnie Dlamini's coochie smells, which is very, very disrespectful and degrading women, because awukwazi njengendoda futhi indoda eshadile uyothi enye intombazana inuka okuthile ngaphansi kwayo. It's just so wrong for me, for a man to even think that. It's just crazy, you know what I mean? So abantu abaningi, I'm glad because it's not only women abakwatile, even abantu abangobaba. I saw them abanye ka TikTok bethi I McG nawa half a shame. No, you know what I mean? So lana ke bathi kona bayaveva kabantu ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ke ngenkulumo kaMcG ku podcast yakhe, i-podcast enchill egxibha uMinnie Dlamini ngokulandela ukuhlukana kwakhe nesoka lakhe elingudokotela uBrian Munaisa. So McG uthe mhlawumbe isitho sangasese sika Minnie Dlamini siyanuka, ingakho udokotela ahlukene naye, babhale kanje lapha nephepheni isolezwe. You know what I mean? Officially lots of people are like, hey McG akahloniphi, McG akwazi ukuthi umlomo wakhe mayovula uthini ngobani kanjani. He just throws whatever he's throwing out, which is so sad ngoba kumele noma ubloga ngabantu but hlonipha abantu. I-podcast lana and inama fans from all over the world. Imagine wena suggesting nje ukuthi omunye umuntu wesifazane unuka ngaphansi, kunabantu ade sebethi owakho unkosikazi yena, ngabe mhlambe lokhu kunuka lokho kuthatha from your wife. So imagine you being McG's wife, una lady at this point, she's being dragged into something that she doesn't even have, she's got nothing to do with. But abantu bethi no, unkosikazi wakhe kumele ahlale naye phansi amkhuze. Every time he's saying a lot of wrong things about women, especially uMinnie Dlamini. Kanti yini le engaka anayo ngoMinnie Dlamini? Abanye bethi mhlawumbe uyamfuna, kusho ukuthi unama feelings, you know, sekikuningi okushiwoyo bafowethu angazi. So uDokotela Munaisa ke unikele ku Instagram egxeka uMagino zakwabo Solphenduka ethi babonakala benenkinga nabesifazana abaphumelele. Ngathi isho kanjalo ipost ka Dr. Munaisa, I think you have a problem with successful women, because uMinnie Dlamini, she's a very successful girl. That's why abantu bebethi uDr. Munaisa mhlambe nje ubevele ya kuMinnie Dlamini uyafuna ukupromote uDr. bakaMinnie. He knew very well ukuthi if I'm dating that girl vele ngizotrenda, and then I'm a doctor, and then zonke izinto azenza emsebenzini wakhe mhlambe ufuna ama client whatsoever. You know what I mean? He can get that through Minnie Dlamini. So why do you have to think it is Minnie's coochie maybe that is smelling, or maybe this, Minnie can't keep a man, Minnie this, Minnie that, and then I show something wrong about Minnie, which is so sad. McG, I really like you, but sometimes, man, calm down when it comes about this fazan. But kunabantu no, it doesn't have anything against Minnie, but maybe something against those it girls. Bahlala bethi ngama it girls, bababale nje bathi this girl and this, these are it girls. You know what I mean? So uthe uDr. Munaisa ngiyasimela ke ministry sabesifazane laba abantu basebenza ngokuzikhandla, bayahlonipha bafanele ukukhulu kunaloku enikhona. Kusho ke uDr. Munaisa ipost yakhe ibithini, uthe what the cap at McG unleashed, what the cap I think you and Edsol Penduka have really shown us all that you have a problem with successful women. I stand for the integrity of women, bra. These hardworking, respectful people deserve more than you little vessels, okay? And then was the hashtag red, hashtag cowards, hashtag fuck nuts. You know, that is what Dr. Munaiza. I can go happy ngale ndaba ishilo ngomini because him separating with the mean akusho ukuthi sebeyizitha. You know what I mean? So ke ukhusela Diko wayengusomlomo ANC uthe ukuhlasela kukaMini kubi wathi izinkundla ezifana nama podcast azinayo imithetho ezilawulayo. Uma umuntu efuna ukufaka isikhalazo wenze njani ngoba phela kuyaziwa ukuthi kubasakazeli bomphakathi umuntu ufaka isikhalazo kukhomishana wezokusakaza kodwa ngalezi izikhundla akukho lutho. uDiko bese bhekisa ke kungqongqoshe wezokuxhumana uSolima Lathi ethi uyathemba ukuthi lolu daba lusezithendeni zakhe into ekanjalo. Abantu abaningi bebengekho happy bafowethu, they are still not happy ngoba indaba le isaseshushuvele, you know, akakhulumanga kahle uMacG man. Ngibone uSoliphenduka epostile ngendodakazi yakhe ne-birthday. I do not know how many years she was turning. Bemgxeka bethi wena Soliphenduka, happy birthday to your daughter, but now teach your friend ngoba naye uMacG has a daughter. Did I say doctor though? uMacG naye unendodakazi, so lento nabo laba bantwana bene elinabo amadodakazi bakhulela ukuba ngosisi abalingana noMinnie Dlamini. So how will you feel omunye umuntu esethi maybe your coochie smells to your daughter? It's not gonna sit well. So just imagine someone saying that about Minnie Dlamini. Angazi why bemdelela uMinnie bafowethu, like honestly kodwa kuningi shame on the internet. Asihloniphani kuningi ukungahloniphani. Ngisho ngithi asiblogeni ngabantu but inhloni phona yayihambe phambili ukhulume kahle ngomunye umuntu usho no allegedly, but for someone to suggest maybe someone is coochie smell, it's just so wrong when it comes to me. But angazi ke bafowethu uMacG yena he's going through it ngibonile bebe live, but I'm sure he's going through it because how dare MacG. Noma ngiyabathanda bafowethu, ngiyithanda i-podcast ngichill, but still more wrong or wrong, you know what I mean. Kodwa ke ngiyabonga bafowethu video yethu ingazibende kakhulu. Thank you so much for your love and support. Ungakhohlwa ushuva lakho ka comment section ngodaba ka MacG. Asibonane kwezayo. Bye.